Mardi yn troi. Chwarae'r bêl ymlaen. Lewis wedi dod oddi ar ei linell. Kenton yn cyrraedd y bêl gynta. A mae'n gico smotyn. Diffyg cyfathrebu llwyr rhwng Mike Lewis a Luke Cooper. A Kenton rhwng y ddau yn cyrraedd y bêl yn gynta. Dim amheuaeth gan Dean John. A Mardi yn erbyn Lewis. A mae Mardi yn rhoi'r Drenewydd ar y blaen. 5 munud ar hugain wedi chwarae ar Barclatham. A'i drydydd gôl mewn 5 gêm i Mardi ers ymuno o Aberystwyth. Y Barri cael ei dal unwaith eto, Clayton Green. Dyma Kenton. Kenton yn torri tu fewn. Yn ei gosodiad Fletcher. A mae'r ail. Ac mae mewn. Ac Alex Fletcher sy'n manteisio ac yn dyblu mantais o'r obyniad. Y camgymeriad elfennol gan Clayton Green yn yr amddiffyn. Yn ildio'r meddiant i Joe Kenton. Roedd Kenton yn amyneddgar cyn gosod y bêl i lwybr Fletcher. A Fletcher yn gleiar ac ar ei drod chwith yn curo Lewis. 5 munud tan yr hanner. Mills Evans cael ei giro tro hwn. Fletcher. Cyntau'r bêl gath ei dynnu do wir. Mae'n gico'r smotyn yr ail o'r gêm. A Mamadou Toure oedd a'i fraich ar ysgwydd Alex Fletcher yn ei dynnu fe i'r llawr. A Mardi eto yn erbyn Lewis. Dyna chi gico'r smotyn. Rio a Mardi mor gleiar. Mike Lewis yn mynd i'r llawr. A'r bêl just yn cyrraedd dros y llinell mewn i gefn y gôl. Os na ffordd yn ôl. Toure yn mynd i'r llawr. Mae ar gardyn melyn, cofiwch bêl yn torri'n garedig i Mardi. Mardi chwilio am y rediad gan Kenton. Mae'n bas gwych. Kenton! Oedd hwnna'n hedfan tuag at gornel ucharlwyd. Dyna chi arbediad ardderchog gan Mike Lewis. Trwchwch ar y bêl na, dros ben yr amddiffynwyr, ar yr hanner foli, Joe Kenton, ergyd nerthol, arbediad rhagorol. A Mardi yn chwilio am yr hat-trick. Yn troi, heibio i ddyn, mewn y cwr Cosby a Mardi. Y bêl at Kenton, gwyro, taro'r bar. Joe Kenton, sgoriodd 2 yma'n gynharach yn y tymor yn erbyn y Barri, ond i ergyd trod chwith tro hwn yn gwyro ac yn taro'r bar. Rushton yn ei gosod i at Craig Williams. Williams gyda Mitchell yn y canol a Kenton yn mynd y cwr Cosby. Joe Kenton yn taro'r postyn. Dwi ddim wedi bod yn brynhawn i Joe Kenton. Mae wedi taro'r bar a nawr gyda'r ergyd isel trod dde. Mae wedi taro'r postyn. Fahia. Cyfle i groesi a mae Clagan dros y bar. Mae hwnna'n crynhoi prynhawn y Barri. Dyn nhw ddim wedi creu llawer. Mae Clagan oedd yno yn y cwrt bach ond yn codi ergyd dros y bar. Chris, many congratulations, a well-deserved victory. In fact, it could be more than 3.
Yeah, look, a tremendous performance. You're coming up against the top side, I think, going for the title and to play the way we did. You know, they paid us a huge compliment before the game. They changed the way they play. And look, when you play games like this against the top teams, there's almost 2 battles. There's a battle on the pitch, but there's a battle off the pitch. And you know, full credit to my coaching staff as well, because we came up with a plan and of maybe trying to counteract what we thought Barri were going to do, and we double guessed they would change their system. And you know, but credit again to the players as well, because they were fantastic. We pressed, the intensity in and out of possession was fantastic, and you know, look, we looked a really, really good team today. And as I say, the only little grumble we could have had is we've hit the post, we've had a couple of good chances, one-on-ones, and you know, we could have scored 6 or 7 in the end. But look, you know, I think it's important that that's not people thinking, Barri must have played poorly today and Newtown have won. You know, that's not a fluke. That's not a fluke. That's a really good performance by a really good team today.
3 pwynt enfawr i'r tîm heddiw. Dyn ni wedi heiddi enilliad da. 2 gol da iawn gan Rio, a dwi'n just hapus iawn am y buddigoliaeth.
Gavin, a difficult afternoon for Barri today and a nightmare first half has really cost you dearly.
I wouldn't say a nightmare first half. I thought for the first 25 minutes we looked very, very stable and very, very solid, if I'm being honest, up until the first goal went in. We had numerous opportunities to be better in possession, yes, but I wouldn't say they troubled us hugely. The 20 minutes after that were a nightmare. And listen, you know, people make mistakes. We've had 3 mistakes. You know, a poor first goal, got caught in possession for the second goal, and then a penalty for the third goal. And to be fair to Newtown, you know, I do think they deserve their win today, of course. But in reality, I think it's just the mistakes that we made that's cost us dearly.
A Callum mae'n edrych I fod yn diwedd tymor cyffroes iawn i'r Drenewydd.
Ie, dyn ni'n cael y play-offs I fynd I Ewrop ar diwedd y tymor, a dwi'n cyffroes iawn am hwnna. Felly, dyn ni just angen ennill mwy o gemau a gweld ble mae'n cymryd ni.
Does this result end your title hopes?
Yeah, possibly. Yeah, but, you know, there's going to be a lot more twists to come, you know. The truth be told, I look at today and I think to myself, OK, it's an opportunity for us to learn. It's an opportunity for us to grow. And listen, you know, I'm a winner and I like to win games of football. But the truth is that these episodes will make our team grow and get better. So a hit at the moment is going to grow us long term.